Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys quickly my luggage since some people asked how I do my luggage and everything. So here is my luggage. Here I have my tunnel bag, which goes in right in front of me, my backpack, which I'm usually wearing, and then this duffel bag, which I bought in Thailand a long time ago. The two saddle bags that just kind of hang on the sides. These are all from Rhinowalk, which is a brand from China. You can order it on AliExpress and pretty much anywhere in the world you can find this. Okay, so that's pretty much the setup. So depending on where I'm driving, I might move my bag forward and put it here. Otherwise, if it's just smooth roads, no problem to keep my bag in the back there. So the only other thing I do is I have a tent as well. I keep the tent in my saddlebags. Usually I just put it there, and then I have two straps. Just give it a little secure. It doesn't need much. One there, one there. That just hangs. That hangs in just like that. Of course, I have my rain protection because now in West Africa it's raining a lot. Quite a few layers I actually cover it. I cover it there. These are waterproof. I don't really need to worry about those. And then my tunnel bag goes right here. My backpack goes on my back normally. So that sits about there. So yeah, this is the whole setup here. I want to make some sidebars. I still haven't found someone that can weld them. I want it to stay high enough that it's not touching the exhaust, low enough that it helps with the balance as well. If you have any suggestion or idea to make it a little bit easier, but two saddlebags, that, my tunnel bag, easy access. So Rhinowalk is the brand you can see here. They make pretty good stuff for a good price. I have a friend here. Hello. You want to be on video? No. So that's my setup pretty much. And if anybody knows a way to weld some saddlebag racks, that would be really cool. I'm about to hit the road and head to Guinea. The rain is crazy, so I'm lucky to have even a day that I can stand outside here with sunshine because the rainy season is crazy.